repeat the same sins. I can't do it again. You broke me in two, I don't know what to do. I just wanna love you the way you want me to. You broke me down, you broke me down. I just wanna love you the way you want me to. You broke me in two, I can't do this anymore. You changed your ways, I can't do this anymore. Feels like you didn't care it all. Did you enjoy the pain and scars? I opened up my chest for you, but you didn't wanna listen at all. It seems you didn't care at all. Yeah, you broke me in two, I don't know what to do. I just wanna love you the way you want me to. You broke me down.
So yes guys, so this is the Corsa E. Now, it's not a particularly fast car, and in the words of the owner, it couldn't pull the skin off a custard. But there's a lot of love gone into this car, and I've got to say, it looks absolutely lovely, it really does. So let's have a drive around and see what type of reaction we get. But it absolutely looks the business, if you ask me. I mean, if you're a young lad, or even if you're a, you know, an oldish guy that's got passion for cars, it really is. He's done a really good job of this. I mean, to me, it's so neat. It's just such a clean job that he's done. As you can hear, it sounds well. It really does sound well. So Alex, the owner, has very kindly just given me the keys to this and told me to go mental. But it's just a standard 1.4 in this, so there's really nothing to go mental in. But as you can hear, it sounds nice. It does sound lovely, it really does. So Alex, the owner, he runs a Facebook group called Rolling Royalty Revolution, and this group is just for like-minded petrol heads. So they regularly attend meets, get together, everyone has a... It's just a bunch of petrol heads really, got the same like-minded obsession with cars. But yeah, some of the looks I'm getting in this. Great. VXR engine in this, the 2 litre one, and we all know, or you should know, how capable those engines are. But I do think a nice 2 litre VXR engine would nicely complement this car. Not that it needs much complementing, because obviously the suspension's been done, turns in nicely, and it really is planted in the corners. This is great. It's not always about speed or power. Sometimes it's just about that big smile a car can put on your face. I mean, yeah, you can really tell the suspension's been done on this. Rattle your fillings out. Great. Let's give it a little second gear pull so you can really hear this exhaust, because it sounds lovely. Remember, it's a 1.4. Might not be to everyone's tastes. It's a bit obnoxious, it's a bit in your face, you know, the colour, the big spoiler. But, you know, each to their own, because I think this car's fantastic. I know. If I was a young lad, you know, I had to worry about insurance and whatnot, I would say no. So that is a very special Corsa 1.4E. So stay tuned to the channel, because this car is going to change soon, and it's going to have the power to complement the looks. So if you're new to the channel, all different variety of cars I'll be reviewing, so please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.